Hey guys, it's Gareth RPM Diecast, and today we have a older T-Hunt. It is a Ferrari F30 Scuderia. This was the second last of this casting to be made before Hot Wheels and Ferrari split ties. And now people keep saying that there's rumors that they're going to be bringing Ferrari back. I don't ever see that happening, ever. Because usually once you split ties with Ferrari, you never get it back. But anyway, really nice car, really nice casting. It's got the Phil Rillman, the PR5 rims. But anyway, let's go shoot some close-ups. We'll come back after. That was the Ferrari 430 Scuderia and Treasure Hunt. Again, really nice casting. Kind of sucks that Hot Wheels and Ferrari split. I don't see them ever doing it again. People get their hopes up, but I don't see it ever happening again. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.